Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. I am getting ready to do a pour, and this is going to be another one that I do through my juicer that I did the other day. It was called Universe. It was on a round canvas. Today I'm going to do a 12-inch square canvas. I got push pins on the back. Everything I'm going to use is going to be from Walmart. These are Daler Brownie, Simply Acrylic, Primary Yellow, Orange, Light Green, Dark Blue, Purple, Violet, and Brilliant Red. I forgot the Brilliant Red. I want to have every color in the rainbow, but I'm just going for a pretty kind of galaxy kind of thing. I'm not going to put silicone in it. I want everything to be freshly mixed with no silicone, because I really do not want cells. And then everything is going to be mixed 1-to-1 with Floetrol, latex-based. Always make sure to use the latex-based Floetrol with your acrylics. So we're keeping it all water-based. And I've got white and black Artist Loft Flow acrylic mixed 1-to-1 with Floetrol. And I did add water to those, and I may have to add some water to this because these are tube paints, and there's a big blob that just fell out. So I'll have to fish that blob out. I didn't strain it. And if you don't strain, you get a lump occasionally. So again, 1-to-1 ratio. I'm going to speed through the mixing process, and I can see right now that I'm definitely going to have to add water. So when you see me using the red squeeze bottle, that is water that I'm adding. And let me show you the consistency, and then I'll speed through the rest of it. But you want this consistency that's like melted ice cream or warm honey pouring off your stick. So I hope you can see that. Trying not to get it in the shadows, but it's kind of hard sometimes.